Are you holding on? Are you not? Duck. Duck. Quack, quack. Ready? Breathe in. Breathe in, you little fatty. Put your seatbelt on. Seatbelt. Oh. Brought your seatbelt. We're literally gonna have to cable tie your seatbelt. Stay there. Just snap the buckle. So we'll just go. Probably actually safer than before, to be honest, Ollie. At least it won't snap. Always carry the cable ties. Always carry cable ties, don't we? Yeah? Yeah. Go. Should we put your hands away because it's a little bit cold? So put your hands. Yeah. You ready? Go, go, go. Hold on. Hold on. Shall we go on the skate park? Oh no, we're not going to be able to get through that. We might go on the way back. Should we go on the way back? Look at the jumps. Wow. Yeah. Do you like it? Jumps. Let's go. Let's have it. It's unlocked. Oh, it's unlocked. Look at that. There we go. Wow. Should we go on here? Ready? Oh, are you ready? Yeah. Go! Woo! Woo! Ready? Woo! Oh. Whoa! Whoa! Hold it on, no, you're doing non-handed. Whoa! Ready? Oh! Oh, that was an actual jump, that one. Oh, some big jumps on here. Whoa! Whoa! Ready? Whoa! 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 Whoops! Ready? Whoa! Whoa! High five. Did they have a kiss? That nose isn't too cold yet. We'll just shut it properly again. Put the lock back on. Make it look locked. One of them. Play the game. So you don't ruin it for everyone else. Should we go for you? I can see some duckies. Can you see some duckies? These duckies are extra friendly, so I think they're gonna want feeding. No, you can't go near the water. You can't go near the water. You have to stay here. Okay. Yeah, take your gloves off. Might be duckies. Duck. Quack, quack.
Wow.
What have we got in here? Right, come here. Stand. No. Stay here. Come here. You can't go near the water. You have to stay here. Yeah? Gonna, ready? Feed the duckies. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Oh my God, they're absolutely everywhere. Oh my God. Are the duckies? Go on. They're getting a bit too close, aren't they? Boy. See, we've got no more duckies. I will kick one so hard if one tries to get you. See, we've got no more duckies. What does a ducky do? Quack, quack, quack. 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 Daddy's hand. You can't go down there. No, you can't go down there. Sorry. Sorry, but Daddy'll have to be the big bad one. They're going to bed. Say night night. Yeah. You've got your little fruit pouch to have. Yeah. You see, whoa, he's flapping his wings. And then shall we go home? Yeah? I'll put you on here. Shall we send this video to your mum, to Mama? To Mama. We've got to take our rubbish away. Can't be leaving any rubbish. Stuff it in there. Right, shall we go? No. We go home? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. You waving? Yeah, bye-bye duckies. That's the one.